done. I had more inside, so I figured I'd go out and get a classic instrumental. Spit bars. There's 7 different levels if you have 7 jewels. So if you wanna come at me, then you do know the freaking rules. I know the tools, I have the tools, I'm on my square. So don't be coming at me if you freaking dare. I don't compare to the other MCs or the rappers, the clappers. I be coming at ya. Evil laughter. It's what you hearing in your ear, not me, but I don't fear. In this ear, never been the ear. But I've been here before, I think so. Every time I'm on the mic, you know I'm about to get go. Oh my God, it's that flow. Oh my God, it's that the thorough on the track, man. Watch me bring it back, man. And I got the Mac clap and sack, facts and racks and racks, facts and claps. Racks, racks is what you rapping about. But you never rap, cause you're always on the clout. I'm sick and tired of rappers, I'm waiting for hip-hop artists to resurrect themselves and never come to self. We come to stuff with the lyrical scissors and anatomy. Spatter me, couldn't batter me. Rappers maybe be mad at me. Church will be looking at me like I'm really not that saved. But I've been speaking in tongues since I wasn't to third grade. Oh my God, I'm laid on my back, slayed in the Holy Spirit. Yeah, I'm never on that grab. Oh snap, it's the brother that's from the city of Wingo, in it with lyrical stats that you never heard before. Before I get up this mic, yeah, you know I got more in store. Excuse me, let me turn on my lights. Got more. Robert Ory, Big Shot Bob is what they call me. Every time I'm on the mic, you know you freaking call me. And if you bother me, you will be ignorant sorry. Really sorry that you came in GGT. The sequel coming at you, there's no equal. I'm on the mic, killing it. Every time I'm on the mic, you know I'm straight killing it. People, they be dealing it. Flows, they be sealing it. I never concealing it. Gifts, I be ripping it. Alright, I'm done now. Peace.